everyone, it's Clyde here. I got a better idea, which is I know everyone has done this one. In this video, I'm gonna follow a Bob Ross tutorial. I haven't touched paint in a really long time. On my last video I did, but it went south. You need to watch this one. Some crush bugs because I don't wanna ruin this one, and my mom is going to kill me if I do so. Gonna check now. And I hope they aren't dry at all. This is what I have as paints left, and there's not much, a lot of it, or maybe, but it's so stiff, like here, like I'm sorry, I know how it feels. I'm not a big fan of brushes, and I'm really sorry. Guess what?
What the fuck?
Where it was in the kitchen, yes. So I'm gonna use these brushes right here. I'm gonna try following a Bob Ross painting. This is the one that I use as a school where I put my painting my canvas, and I bought it on a local thrift store here in Rome, and it was only around €3. Adjust the size. I think it's easier for, like, this is the one like 50 by 70 centimeters of a painting, and like see, you can even use this one, it doesn't matter, like it's sturdy, you can paint it over, and it doesn't take a lot of space, and I think this is a good investment. Usually I do use some cloth, but I cannot find anything right now. This is the one that I used to use when maybe after following this painting of Bob Ross, I'm gonna start painting again, which it's gonna be different because it's gonna be with my art style. I thin out the, I cannot open it.
Wait a damn minute.
No. Yeah. Obviously, it's still not dried. Like the last time that I used this was my exam, before my exam for in art school, and it was July. Yeah, fuck. Yes, we didn't even start, and here is. And also I put some here, so when you shake it, it's easier for the paint to. I'm gonna show you everything. Also, the smell is gonna be awful. It's so allergic by paint, like oil painting. I get so itchy because it's toxic. I don't know if I should wear gloves. I don't have gloves. I'm gonna use this one so I don't touch anything. I'm gonna use this one I have right here, even though it has some painting, but I don't wanna remember any stuff from school, and I want to move on, so we're gonna use this one. And I don't have any canvas left, and I think it's in my other apartment. A therapy for me and for everyone that's watching. Leave your past behind and start new. That is the new motto of 2020. Am I awkward with this? Two parts, so it divides. So you're gonna see like the first part.
If 2 plus 2 is 4,
like
and 5 plus 5 is 10.
It's gonna be looking cool, and it's gonna be bigger. join these two paintings that I did, but they are unfinished together. I start this painting, I'm gonna eat, and this is what I've been eating. This is what am I going to eat right now. It's so good and I love it. I have some rice also, which I love. It's an Asian thing. Yeah, I think that's enough. Also, it smells so bad in here. The joy of painting. This is the number 21. I would love to have a bird. He's the main character. And Bob Ross, of course. Also in the camera it looks so black, but it's not, I swear. And I put some underpainting before I can start the video. Black. That's good. It's not even blue. I don't know what am I doing. Hey, sorry. Hi, it's Clyde here interrupting you watching my awful video. I just wanna warn you that it went wrong and I was in a lot of procrastination and didn't want to do anything and didn't put any effort to the painting you're watching, and I'm really sorry that this is the most boring, most I don't know what of a painting, and I'm in a lot of I don't know, but thank you if you're still watching, and please watch because I put more effort on editing this video rather than my own art. And from watching this video for a couple of hours on editing this, I understood that from early time that I cannot do challenges because I get so concentrated on what I do and I don't talk and only talk because I remember that I have a camera in front of me, and that's so great, and I'm really sorry. I don't know what am I saying. So I don't know if what I will do next, but when doing this stuff I can't concentrate, like my two brain cells cannot work properly, and I don't what the fuck, I don't know. Oh my god. I feel like I'm in arts class, but the teacher never told us anything about this. So this is my first time after 5 years learning and seeing someone paint. I'm getting so stressed out. Also, what the fuck is this? Like, it's a bunch of white and dots. Maybe this one will work. Somebody and get her, she's staying too low. Team. So I just finished my painting right here, and it didn't look anything like Bob Ross and abstract, and you can understand anything, and there's no meaning behind, and that's great. It's my interpretation of Bob Ross because it doesn't even look close to him, and it's a bunch of yellow, red, and this is not even black, it's gray. And if you like to see more of this stuff, and try to do a part 2, but if you
You
only
didn't even try. What
appreciate
the
it,
fuck? Why are you saying that
please
you're
like,
gonna do it
comment,
again?
and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it helps me a lot, and I can get to share more of my art process to other people. And
Please
my
stop.
new
What?
friends
Bleep.
most, but
Blah.
yeah, it's been Clyde, and see you in the next video. Bye. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. It's done. We out of here.